So if there is a candidate who done the homework and doing the personalized application with the personalized CV and cover review where you are not doing it, then obviously you have no chance. Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about cover letter. For the job applicants, it is very crucial and important to write a cover letter. And obviously a lot of you does have the knowledge and experience about cover letter, and kudos for you. But for those people who doesn't know what is a cover letter, I'm going to explain in very short form. A cover letter is when you are approaching to an employer saying, hello, you have these driving positions available and I think I'm the right candidate. I'm very interested to apply for these positions, and I do have this experience and these qualifications and these abilities. Please consider my application. So what you're saying normally when you contact us as a recruiter, when we talk to somebody from a candidate, what are you saying? This is what you're saying, right? I want to apply for this job and I have this qualification, that qualification, and this experience and that experience, and I want to approach an interest. I want to express my interest, expression of my interest to apply for this job. Rather than saying this verbally, orally, you write it in a piece of paper, and that piece of paper is called cover letter, right? So when you write a cover letter, there is two form of cover letter you can probably do. One form that most people does, a generic cover letter. A generic cover letter, let's say who is a driver and only looking to apply for a driving positions. Without writing the company's name in the cover letter, you can just focus on saying yourself, put your skills in there, and make a point of saying that you are interested to apply for this position. And that generic cover letter you can send to many different companies as long as it's the same job role. But that's not the best policy. What is the best policy and best way to do the cover letter? You must write the cover letter based on the company that you are applying for. So you write down the company name in the cover letter stating that, okay, I'm applying for DPD Courier Limited. I have seen you are recruiting drivers. I have 5 years of driving experience. I'm a good driver. I have additional qualification on driving, so on. So please consider my application. So it could be 10 lines saying about yourself and approaching with your interest, telling them that you want to apply for the position, whatever the position you are applying to. So we call it personalize. And the best policy to apply for any jobs, let's say you apply for 10 different jobs. The best result would always go with the person who have 10 different personalized cover letter and CV. So have 10 CVs personalized if needed according to that job profile that you are going to be applying with that company. Okay, so you are going to make all the cover letter individually, separate, stating the company's name, and always do a little bit of research before you are applying for a company, no matter which company you are applying for. Any recruiting manager or HR manager would love to see this candidate has done the homework before they apply for the position. This would give you a lot of positive impact instantly, and it will make you stand out. It will make you stand out from the other candidates who didn't do that. So if there is a candidate who done the homework and doing the personalized application with the personalized CV and cover review where you are not doing it, then obviously you have no chance. I hope you understand. And as usual, I always encourage all of you to learn and skill up. At MoPro Consultancy, we always focus on level up your career and business. Now, how can you level up your career or business if you're not willing to put the effort into the business, into the career, right? So always keep moving up, keep making your skill up, okay? Don't hesitate to learn. Don't be a lazy one. A lazy person never gets success. All the successful people are always hardworking people. So whatever you're thinking, it is hard work, I want a shortcut, and that's when you make the first move to become a loser. So I request all of you, please don't be a loser, be a winner, okay? Have a winner approach. I wish you all the best, and hopefully this video helps you to decide. Have a good day.